Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add attachment to your HubSpot email. Now here on the left hand panel, you can come here, click on your phone book, click on contact, and you'll be on this page right here. So let me go ahead and find someone with an email. This one right here. So at the row, I'll go ahead and click on this. And to add an attachment, it's very easy. I'll come here, click on email. There you go. It is creating an email right now once I click on that. And what I need to do is just come here, click on this icon to attach a file. Okay, you can upload a new one or you can choose from an existing one you have already uploaded to HubSpot. If you want to upload a new one, just go ahead and click on upload new. So here we go. I'll send this profile picture right here. You can go ahead and add a subject as well, a body of text if you want. Okay, and just go ahead and click on send. It's really that easy and simple.